Hello, guys. To live pure, we need power every day and every hour. Over the next 21 days, we'll be having a time of prayer showers. We will gather, pray, and go. We won't be long. We will prioritize praying in the Spirit, speaking in tongues. We are laying a pure foundation for a pure year ahead. It's a quick prayer shower before we go to bed. Your church may already be doing fasting and prayer in January. This is something you can add. There is no such thing as too much prayer. Too much prayer is not bad. We'll be praying for about 21 minutes for 21 days, starting on January 6th, day 1. We'll be starting around 9 p.m. By 9:30 p.m. latest, we're done. So we'll be starting by 9 p.m. By 9:30 p.m. latest, we're done. Feel free to join us as you grow and as we grow in purity and power. We will be refreshed after this prayer experience and prayer time with the Lord. Join us for the 21 days of prayer showers. Bless you guys. God bless you. Congratulations again. Happy New Year. And I wish you all the best. Bye for now.